Hi, and welcome to this tutorial in FME where we will look at how we can do calculations on our features attributes. So for this tutorial I have prepared the same subdistrict shapefile we have used previously. Only in this subdistrict shapefile we have the population of each subdistrict, and the growth is in percentage, meaning the growth in the population to a given year. So we want to do a calculation where we figure out a new attribute column and what will be the population increase for that given year. Let's say it's 2100. So in order to do this, we type expression evaluator, and it comes up here as an option, and I double click on the expression evaluator. I connect my data to the expression transformer. I press the cogwheel because here we can define the name of the attribute column for the calculation. So I will just call this population increase, and this white spaced area is where we will do our expression. So in order to access my attributes, I will click on this FME feature attributes, and as you see, the attribute column of my data is accessible. So I want to take the population and I want to multiply it with the growth, or the increase the growth percentage, but since it's written in not in 0 point format, I need to divide it by 100. So this is it. We have written our expression. We have given the attribute column a name, and when we press OK and run the transformer, we will see that we have received a new attribute column, and the calculation is done. 12,000 times 30%, or 0.3, becomes this number, and we have achieved what we wanted to do. So now we can use the data we have created here further on in our workflow in order to accomplish whatever goal you have to accomplish. So this is basically it for the tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, it will mean a lot if you hit that subscribe button and like the video. So yeah, this was a short one, but I'll see you in the next video, so take care.